I Kiss the Baby, a Discovery Toys book. This is a great book for little ones when they're first born. They just see black and white. So the book starts off black and white, and then towards the end of it, it adds in some color. And it's also a great book for those preschoolers when they're first learning how to read or kind of memorize read, because it's lots of repetition with the book. So I think you'll see what I mean really easily. I Kiss the Baby. Starts off, I saw the baby. Did you see the baby? I saw the baby, the teeny weeny thing. I fed the baby. Did you feed the baby? Yes, I fed the baby. What a hungry little one. I sang to the baby. Did you sing to the baby? Yes, I sang to the baby, and the baby sang to me. And then towards the end of it, so you can see it right now, we're all black and white. Towards the end of it, it says, I kissed the baby. Did you kiss the baby? Of course I kissed the baby, my own amazing baby. And I'm going to do it again. Quack, 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 said the baby. So you'll see towards the very end, we add in our yellow duck. And when we do that, if your baby responds to the yellow duck, that's your clue that they're starting to see color. I Kiss the Baby, a Discovery Toys book.